Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add friends in Minecraft. Playing Minecraft alone is fun, but playing with friends makes it even better. Whether you're on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch or mobile, here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to add friends and invite them. If you're using PC, you gotta have an account of Xbox to play it. When you're ready, launch Minecraft. Click sign in with a Microsoft account, then follow the instructions to log in and link your Microsoft account to the game. Choose an existing world or create a new one, then load into the game. Once inside, open the game in Game Settings. Scroll to the far right and select Invite to Game, then on the next screen choose Find Cross-Platform Friends. This screen may look a little different depending on your console. Now, search for your friend using their Minecraft ID or gamer tag. When you find them, select Add Friend. Just a pro tip, you can also use the Xbox app to add friends if typing long gamer tags with controller is frustrating. Once added, check the box next to their name and hit Send Invite. Now just wait for your friend to accept. Once they do, they'll pop into your Minecraft world. From then on, whenever they're online, they'll appear under online friends and you can easily invite them again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, drop a comment with your favorite thing to do in Minecraft multiplayer, and subscribe for more gamer tips and guides.